Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 GMC Yukon Denali. Runs smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. It does have LED headlight surrounds. Those may appear like they flicker in the camera because of the refresh rate, but they don't to the human eye. This one does have alloy wheels and a sunroof and the entertainment package. See, it also has the tow package. The third row, there's a shot of the interior. And you can see that there's the entertainment package. Down here you'll see that it also has heated seats in the second row. It also does have Bose speakers. Here's the VIN right there. And you saw that it does have automatic running boards as well. Okay, here's your trailer controls. Your exterior sensors. As you come down here, you'll see that it has 35,365 miles on it. And then you'll have your cruise control, your vehicle-to-vehicle sensor. You also have your push-to-talk and other infotainment controls there. As you come down here, you're going to see that it has both heated and cooled front seats. If you want to look at the backup camera, I'll simply put it in reverse. There we go. See your navigation. You also have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then you have a disc right here. There's your additional power supplies and cup holders. Also have your phone charger right here. Additional power supplies and stowage right there. And as you come up, you're going to have your map reading lights and your sunroof. And then you have your sunglasses holder, which also doubles as a mirror. So, about wraps it up for the interior of this Denali. This particular vehicle does have a branded title as it rolled. Has passed the 150-point inspection and the State of Utah Safety Inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.